Hey guys, it's Nabil from Topaz. You may be thinking, what on earth is Nabil doing outside a Reep Centre? And the reason why I am here is because, just to let you know, it's a big announcement. We have acquired Reep Midlands Limited. We've known the guys for a while. It's a fantastic opportunity for us to grow our business, to get more people on board, and actually, I'm really excited to be working with Pri and Pete, which again, at some stage, I'll introduce you to. But what I thought I'll do is I'll create a video just to show you through. Literally, we are day one here. We've got some of the team going in, looking at all the operational aspects. And now, essentially, I just want to show you around the unit, show you what we have and what we're going to be doing. Again, this is all just from the top of my head because, again, it's not 100% accurate what I want to do yet because I haven't yet decided. But it's first thing that we're going to do, obviously, is take down the sign. That's the first thing that we need to do. And then there's some elements that we need to also work around, which is part of what you'd expect from a Topaz centre and a Topaz site. This includes many different aspects of CI and things like that. Let's start off here. So when you first come in, currently, as you can see, obviously you have a reception area here with the Reep sign, obviously that's currently there. That's going to obviously get changed. This is going to get changed up in here to be more Topaz-esque and to give the customer experience from what we benefit in Topaz, and also the things that Reep have done here in Midlands specifically, why they've done so well is welcoming the customer. So again, we want to take some bit of that flavour, a bit of what we do at Topaz, and make it into the Topaz Midlands site. So again, this is the reception, but what we're going to do is we're going to take you through to the workshop and I'll show you a little tour there. Let's go. So the workshop is here behind me, and what I want to show you is basically really the success that Pri and Pete have achieved in this aspect, because it's the team that they've developed is fantastic here. The baseline of what it is that we do and what we need in order to take this business to the next level is been done. The foundations are there. So it's very, very important for me when we did the acquisition. It was very important for me to understand what people are doing here and what are the teams that we have. And currently the team is fantastic, and we're going to just keep on improving and developing it. As you can see here, this section, what we have in the current workshop is the handover bay. This is where the guys have been doing their handovers. Again, I'm not too sure whether I'm going to keep it here or if I'm going to actually put it closer to the door. I'm not sure yet. We're still trying to get that into our mind. But we do know is behind you there's a lot of wasted space, and we do need more space because we plan to ramp up our production in terms of the number of cars that we're dealing with. So that's going to happen. A lot of it is going to get better. There's going to be more cars coming through. The quality is going to be more consistent, and that's because, again, our patterns are going to be used here, and they're the same patterns you get in every single Topaz centre internationally and nationally. And obviously the film is going to be Topaz film. So that element of it, that aspect, is going to help a lot with just the efficiency and the consistency in the deliverables here in this business. So this is one of the aspects that we're going to be working towards. So we need to create more space. So there's a lot more space. Our lighting is going to happen. There's going to be a lot more lighting that needs to be put on, which we're going to go through, which we don't know yet. But you'll see, for example, some fundamentals already been done. You have some of the working bays already here. So these working bays, again, will continue being there. And yeah, this is it. This is essentially what we have. Part of this acquisition actually has to be a win-win for everyone. So what Reep will be able to offer is, again, why I think it's a win-win situation, is they have an amazing facility, obviously, that's going to get even better. They have fantastic customers. They've got amazing customer database within the local market, and amazing trade contracts as well that they have been building up and working on for the many, many years that they've been operating. They've been operating for 6 years now, so they've done a fantastic job in that aspect. And then what we're going to be offering as Topaz is essentially bringing under the umbrella of Topaz. So we are going to be putting the patterns, the film, our expertise on how to run a business successfully, and not just successfully to a level where, again, being in one site, we're talking about global expansion, and this is something that Pri and Pete really wanted to get on board with, and that's why I'm super excited to have them on as part of the team. So it's very important for me to get the right people in the team so that we can actually go and shoot for the stars and be able to have a Topaz Center in every single one of the major cities that are there. So this is just the first bit. I wanted to show it to you. I wanted to bring you on the journey with me. And yeah, hopefully you're going to see more and more videos from here, from the Topaz Midlands site. And yeah, so this is Topaz Midlands. So I look forward to showing you more of the Topaz Midlands site, more videos from here, and obviously more videos from all our other sites that we're going to be opening up in 2023. There's a massive push on growing our business and getting partners on board, and this is going to be just the start of it. Thank you very much for your views. Thank you very much for you appreciating our quality work, and also thank you for your time. Take care.